Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. How are you?
I just say that I'm on a call. Like, why don't you have manners?
My sister, the eyes that are looking at you right now are more important than your future. Pardon my manners anyway. They call me Chief HM1. I like what I see. And I want to see through your future. I love the attitudes. Probably this can help. Give me account number. Calm down. Give me account number.
47.
Which account do you use? FNB or Zanaka? Amazing. Give me account number.
47244.
47244.
Quarter 9.
Okay. I've just sent you 1.5 million just for a start. To show you that I'm a serious type of man. To show that these eyes which are looking at you right now are not any kind of eyes that you can find at Soweto or City Market.
Calm down.
Am I still disturbing?
No, Simon. I was just looking at this person like...
Yeah, girls of nowadays, you miss opportunities like never before. Like I told you, they call me Chief HM1.
First man.
And I love what I'm saying. Listen, this is one of my buildings actually. It's called HM1's Results. I know you didn't see once you entered the building. The Benz parked downstairs is also mine. Yes. And I want to see how best I can bless you and renovate your life.
Oh, wow.
How about you join me in my quarters?
Not a problem. Right now?
There we go. Let's go.